Racing Jazz is started with Wind and Glory. Breaks quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside. Snurp in the middle portion. Now is Tawanits. Then comes Marcus Wolf. Glass Cockpit is on the outside. Bonjour. Sneaking down on the inside is Virtual Angel. And going along for the first turn with Snurp by about 3 lengths. And his second is Wind and Glory. Glass Cockpit is racing in third. Virtual Angel. And on the outside comes Marcus Wolf, then followed over by Bonjour, while Tawanits now racing in less. Back to the leader, we have Snurp by about 2 lengths. Wind and Glory still in second. Glass Cockpit moving up now. Down on the inside is Bonjour, and on the outside is Marcus Wolf. Virtual Angel comes next, while Tawanits still racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Snurp by about 3 lengths. Trying to get closer in second is Wind and Glory. Bonjour's down on the inside. Third as they swing for home. Where is Snurp by about 4 lengths. Bonjour now to take second. Then on the outside, Wind and Glory. Last 75 meters is Snurp followed by Bonjour, Wind and Glory. And finally it's going to be Snurp, Bonjour. Then comes Wind and Glory. Tawanits, Marcus Wolf, Virtual Angel, and Glass Cockpit.